Mobile One.
So this is a quick little hack on a Chrysler Sebring. It's a 2007, 12 of 06. I couldn't get it to go out of park. There's a little thing on the left-hand side that's pink, and there's a spring that's supposed to go right here that connects to this hook that you see right here, and there's no spring. Whenever you push on the brake pedal, it releases this guy and makes it really light to push this over to the side, but then it won't go past that. Once you're to that point, you do this. I do it with my pinky here and move this, and voila, you're in business. So if you're stuck in the grocery store parking lot, or you took your car where you're not supposed to be and you're about to get in trouble with your parents or whatever. Future Brian here. You don't have to tear all this down. There's a little bezel that goes around the shifter indicator, the pernal, and you can actually fit a butter knife, pocket knife, something down and move this from the top. You can see that little bit of pink there, and you can move that back and self-rescue without having to tear all this down. Just thought you'd like to know.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to click like and subscribe.
That's it. David Pike, the Motor City mechanic, he's got another video on this for like your 300 and your other stuff that goes in the front. But check him out. That's how you get your car going again. To get into this one, it's 4 bolts here and then 2 bolts in here. This will pop out. You can see that it's retained along the sides by these two right here and here. And then there's kind of a shelf thing here that it's got to come undone. So you got to pull it out the bottom first and then down. When you pull the bottom out, you can get to these, unplug them and pull that down. And then from there, there's one plug right here. It's got, I don't know, like 12 wires on one side, 8 and 10. And then there's 2 wires that go to this power outlet if you have the base model like we do. And it's just this giant fat plug for those 2 little wires. There's another thing that it could be, and that's this pink one here. If this pink one is messing up, then that could also be another issue. But either way, if you pull that off and get into it, it should be able to get you going again. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Here's some helpful end cards with some fun background. Meanwhile, in Cedar Valley, Utah this week, we're watching katydids groom themselves.